is now possible to deploy a functioning, AI-populated storefront for an initial investment of exactly $1. In less than 60 minutes, you can move from a blank screen to a live business. By the end of this tutorial, your store will be stocked with trending products and equipped with automated fulfillment. Even the sales copy and product descriptions will be handled by artificial intelligence. To follow this process, you only need 3 things: a personal computer, a dedicated email address, and a payment method with at least $1 available to cover the initial software trials. By automating the technical layout and product sourcing, the time required to go from an idea to a live site is compressed into a single session. This shift means that starting an online shop is no longer a matter of months of development, but a matter of hours of execution. Begin by navigating to the AI tool Build Your Store. Click the Start button to initiate the automated creation sequence. When prompted to choose a niche, select Sports and Fitness. This category maintains consistent year-round demand and offers a wide range of accessory-sized products that are ideal for dropshipping. For your store's visual identity, choose a neutral banner. By selecting a design that appeals to all genders, you avoid isolating a significant portion of your potential market before they even see your products. To provide the actual infrastructure for your sales, click Access Shopify. This links the AI's design work to a professional-grade commerce platform. Use the same email address for Shopify that you provided to the AI tool. If these accounts aren't linked by the same email, the automated product imports will not function. When Shopify asks for help setting up your store, skip the questionnaire. Since the AI is handling the configuration, these manual steps are unnecessary. Choose the basic Shopify plan. This offers a trial period for $1 per month, which fulfills our budget requirement while giving you full access to the store's back end. By layering a specialized AI builder over Shopify's existing framework, the initial heavy lifting of web design and mobile optimization is handled automatically. To stock the store without holding inventory, we will use an application called AutoDS. This software identifies high-demand items and automates the shipping process from the supplier to the customer. Select the Starter 500 plan on AutoDS. The 99-cent trial fee brings our total technical spend to exactly $1. This financial flow shows how the profit is generated. A product like a golf club clip has a wholesale cost of $6.84. By listing it for $13.68, you generate a gross profit margin of $6.84 per sale. Once an order is placed, the system automatically distributes the funds. The wholesale cost goes to the supplier, while the profit margin is deposited into your store's account. You'll notice the AI has already drafted descriptions and added emojis for every item. This removes the need for you to spend hours writing copy for dozens of different products. With these integrations in place, your role moves from manual logistics to overseeing a digital asset that handles its own fulfillment. Now, go to the footer of your website. You need to customize the AI-generated legal pages by adding your specific contact information and location to the terms and conditions. A standard Shopify URL is often long and difficult for customers to remember. To look professional and gain trust, you need a custom .store domain. This data indicates that websites using a .store domain see 87% more traffic and nearly double the search ranking of standard URLs, directly impacting your store's visibility. Once the domain is linked, go into your Shopify settings. Uncheck the password protection box to make the site live to the general public. These final details, clean URLs and transparent policies, act as trust signals that help turn visitors into buyers. The infrastructure is now live. For an initial software spend of 99 cents, the store is ready to process its first order. However, a live store is useless without visitors. To bridge this gap, you have to move into the next phase, generating traffic through micro-influencers. By partnering with accounts that have 10 to 50,000 followers, you access a niche audience that typically shows much higher engagement than larger accounts. Building the store is the low-cost part of the process, but marketing requires a different investment. In this test, an additional $50 spent on influencer promotion resulted in 10 sales within 24 hours. After covering the product costs and the initial setup fees, the experiment resulted in $80 of net profit. This demonstrates that while AI has simplified the technical creation of a storefront, the business doesn't become real until it is paired with a marketing strategy. The challenge has shifted from building the shop to effectively capturing and converting your audience's attention.